At this point, you've paired and named your doorbell sensor with Sage, so let's install it. Locate your electrical panel and turn off the breaker powering the doorbell. Verify power is off by testing the existing doorbell. Remove the doorbell's chime box cover. Notice the location of the 3 chime wiring contacts. Place the doorbell sensor near this area, then determine if the doorbell's cover will either securely close over it or if the sensor can be placed inconspicuously outside of it, while continuing to ensure the sensor's wires will easily reach the chime contacts. If you have a metal or metallic doorbell cover, you must install the doorbell sensor outside of the chime box. Route the wires so they do not interfere with the doorbell sound bars, or the sound may be muffled. Use a screwdriver to add the sensor's wires to the 3 chime contacts. The green wire connects to the front door chime contact. This may be labeled front, F, or door A. We'll refer to this initially as your primary doorbell. The white wire connects to the transformer chime contact. This may be labeled trans, common, or C. The yellow wire connects to the back door chime contact. This may be labeled rear, R, or door B. We'll refer to this initially as your secondary doorbell. If your doorbell does not have wiring coming into this contact, it means you don't have a rear doorbell connected here. Connect the yellow wire anyway. Place the doorbell cover back on. Determine an inconspicuous location to mount the doorbell sensor. Apply the included hook and loop fasteners to the doorbell sensor and other surface, then press into place. Turn power back on at your electrical panel. Your installation is complete. This concludes the help video.